Hey everybody, it's your favorite YouTuber and teacher of the Popcorn Open, the #1 YouTuber in the world, and here is my unboxing video for Monday, November 14th, 2022. I got a lot of comic books, starting with Blackest Night Titans, uh, Uncanny X-Men, I got from my stepfather, Gambit, his own comic book, X-Men from the Ashes, Astonishing X-Men, another New Avengers, Uncanny X-Men Fair Self, Green Lantern Corps, Cyborg Superman Returns, Green Lantern Corps, I don't know what that is, Batman Rebirth, Wolverine X-Men Alpha Omega, The Reign of Superman Steel, excuse me, Miles Gray's Collection, New Avengers Dark Reign, Green Lantern Parallax Collection, Green Lantern Corps, Titans The Return of Tempest, X-Men The Messiah War Sourcebook, Captain America Door Free Comic Book Day, Dark Avengers Siege, I don't know what that is, New Warriors, Cap Ultimates, same one, Fantastic Four now, Green Lantern New Guardian, X-Men Out for Blood, Regenesis X-Men, Fantastic Four Finale, Batman Superman Team Up, Cable, X-Men Death Revealed, New Avengers Siege, Uncanny X-Men, I don't know what that is, Black Knight Titans, Green Lantern Corps Revolt of the Alpha Lanners, X-Force, Nico Shelter, X-Men Quarantine, I don't know what that is, Green Lantern 2 Against 1,000, Green Lantern, Curse of the Mutants, Blade, Uncanny X-Men Nation X, Ricky's Triumph, Green Lantern Corps Alpha War, X-Men 40, Siege, Avengers, Dark Avengers, X-Men, Dark Avengers, Brightest Day Emerald Warriors, X-Men, Uncanny X-Men, and finally we have X-Men Class of 99. Yep. Put them all back. Yep, and that was my unboxing video for Monday, November 14th, 2022. Now please subscribe to my YouTube channel and Teachable the Pop Culture Open. The #1 YouTuber in the world. You can follow me on Twitter.com/450, Instagram 1220, Facebook.com and Teachable. Share with your friends and family. Know. Click on the notification when I do come on for more fun. So far I have 513 subs. That's okay. You can follow me on community tabs. You can I have a podcast on Anchor FM. I do VHS openings, unboxings, show reactions, reviews, a lot of stuff. And later tonight, I'll be back with my review of Batman the Animated Series Season 1, me singing Gotham City by R. Kelly in tribute of Kevin Conroy, and a show reaction to House Party. Anthony, out!